Meet the jumping green spider, Australia's largest jumping spider. Jumping spiders belong to a big family, over 5,800 species worldwide. They're amazing jumpers and daytime hunters. The males have bright green bodies and a cool, hairy white crown with a black top knot. Females are mostly green with subtle patterns. They love Queensland, but you can find them in many parts of Australia, from wet forests to your garden. Unlike some spiders, they don't build webs to catch food. They're active hunters, jumping to catch insects and even other spiders. Don't worry, these spiders are shy and not aggressive. They can bite if you bother them, and it might hurt a little. If you get bitten, use a cold compress to ease the pain. Don't use pressure bandages. It can make it worse. So, the jumping green spider is a cool part of Australia's nature. Big jumpers, not big threats.